Bhakti in the epics, a Christian point of view. Mahabharata and Ramayana are the India's two national epics. In the development of Hindu religious thought, they play an important role. And so, it is to be investigated to get the different senses and usages of the common root bhaja. As it is seen in the classical literature, both the secular and the religious usages are in vogue in the epics too. Secular usage. 1. Here, bhaj is used in the etymological meaning of partaking in, belonging to something or someone. Vasishtha says to Nandini, Shama Mam Bhajade. It means patience partakes in me. Second, bhaja. Bhaj is used also to mean desiring something impersonal. Vibhishana advises Ravana, bhajasva dharmam, which means love or pursue righteousness. Third, animals' bhakti to human beings also is denoted by the same root. Fourth, human love outside of sex as the subjects showing bhakti towards their king may also be expressed by this term. Fifth, bhakti is employed in the epics to express lust and also love in view of marriage. These are the secular use of bhakti, but it is used in the religious context as well. Religious usage. Bhakti is used to express love of men and of God. At the religious observance of King Ashwati of the Madra country, Goddess Gayatri speaks, because of your pure celibacy, your self-control and proper religious observance, and your devotion to me with your whole heart, I am pleased with you, O King. The wholehearted devotion implies a loving devotion to the goddess. Bhakti is used to indicate love of God for men also. Yama, the god of death, addresses Savitri, I have a very deep respect for you. Choose a matchless boon, you who are true to your vows. Here Bhakti conveys respect and regards from God towards Savitri. Whereas Bhakti in the plural is used for emblems or marks of devotion. Thus Bhakti has a double usage in the epics, a secular and a religious significance. It expresses love for impersonal things, devotion of animals, love outside of sex, and love between the sexes. In the religious usage, it marks love of men for God and of God for men. Of course, one may find traces of the doctrine of Bhakti in the Vedas, Upanishads and epics. But Bhagavad Gita, which is called the fifth Veda, is known as the Gospel of Bhakti. Thank you.